guys, August 23rd, 2021. This one here I got a call for a backed up sink drain. And I never worked for this lady before, but she said she had a problem with the pop-up drain lever had rotted away, so she got the pop-up out. And I guess she's got an elderly husband, and Johnny Skidpants, I guess he had diarrhea and he washed his underwears in the sink from what she said, and now the sink won't go down. So I don't, she put all kinds of drain cleaner in there, and I guess it's just having a problem with it going down. So we're gonna go over there and see if we can free up his blockage from Johnny Skidpants. Johnny Skidpants is on the loose, mama. Can't make this shit up. But anyway, go over there. I tried to tell her to use a plunger, but she doesn't seem to be responding too well to my comments. So we'll go over there and give it the old, see if we can get it freed up, and then do something with that drain pop up. Can't make this shit up, mama. Old Johnny Skidpants on the loose. That's fine, I'm fine, I'm not that, I got the window right there.
Alright, wait, let me put the fan on. I'm just thinking, my husband's sleeping, not a care in the world.
Who is it?
My Al, he's sleeping, not a care in the world.
He don't care, huh?
Oh God, unbelievable. I don't know.
You have to call him Johnny Skidpants, no?
Yeah. I don't know what he put in there. It could be, really. When I turned around and I said, what are you doing? Oh, I had diarrhea, I'm washing my shorts. You're not washing your shorts in the sink, right?
That's funny.
Oh, yeah. Oh, God.
Never a dull moment, huh?
Oh, please.
Got my finger on the overflow, yeah. It's going down. It's going down now. Yep. I see this little plunger. I put my finger on the overflow, like I told your daughter, and I put the plunger in there and we loosened it up. You got to cover the overflow. If not, the water will just come up the overflow when you plunge it.
I did. I had a piece of cloth there.
Yeah, maybe you just didn't have the right kind of plunger, maybe.
This is what I use.
Yeah, you should have been able to do that. I mean, look at the other one I got.
Yeah.
But anyway,
Oh, for heaven's sake.
we gotta fix the other thing anyway, because you said the things don't work, right? At least we got it going. Thank God, huh?
Yeah, it is. So I bring this one back. I bought it this morning.
Either that, or you could use that one for the toilet. That might be good for the toilet if you ever need it in the future.
Okay,
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't hurt to have a plunger.
right.
Cause you
Oh,
know.
for heaven, I had a cloth there.
Yeah.
And I'm plunging it back and forth, back.
You see how this one got a good little action going, and it kind of pushes and pulls. And I got my finger over that hole, and then that's just enough to maybe loosen up the blockage and let it loose, right?
Right.
I don't know. Maybe it's just experience.
You got more, probably got more strength than I have, anyways.
So let me see if I could fix the other. Well, the other thing looks okay. The pin's in there. Maybe it's just not in the right spot.
I know he took it out once.
All right, let me see if I can fix it. Yeah, this isn't that old.
No, 2 years ago.
See what it is? It's on the side. It goes to the side. That's why it goes to the side. Let me see if I could fix it.
See if I can get a flashlight.
Well, I'm good. I can put it in either way. Yeah, let's try this way. It don't pop up much, does it? Not really. Doesn't come up much.
This is not a very strong.
Maybe the, huh?
Pick the other one.
So he didn't have a care in the world, huh?
Excuse me?
He didn't have a care in the world.
Yeah, I know what I'm saying. Gee whiz, he's the one that, and I was hoping, Steve. You know, he could have asked me. I mean, I got a problem or something. You know? No, as soon as I turned around, I was in the breezeway painting. I said, what are you doing? Oh, I'm washing my shirt. Should I wash it there? You know, come on.
That's funny. Better off just throwing them out if they're all full of... No? Yeah, this thing's not gonna... This thing's giving me a problem. Giving me a problem. Johnny Skidpants. Johnny Skidpants.
You don't need that clip there, Steve?
The what?
The clip over there?
Yeah, I need that clip after, but I needed to fix this first. So. Yeah, I'm gonna put the clip on there. That holds it in place, the clip. Oh, somebody already put one in there, but they put the wrong kind. Piece of rubber on there or something. That's kind of odd. Who did that? That rubber thing? As long as it's working, what do you care?
Yeah, I know. Probably won't shove anything under in the sink.
No, it works, so. As long as it's working.
We'll put water in there, Steve.
Yeah, I'm putting water in there and then it drains. Leave it, that little thing's working, so let's leave it. Right? Why look for problems? Right?
Right. So why was it leaking there?
This is loose as a goose here, this nut. See it?
Oh, yeah.
Well, it's tight. We'll tighten up that bottom. Well, there was water, standing water in there. It's never good.
No.
Plus, this was probably leaking. Probably be fine now. Oh, it was. That's easy enough. Huh? No big deal. Just leave this down here for now, and if we ever have to use it in the future. The drain's working and it's coming up high. See the drain's coming up nice and high because I spun it around. There's two spots you could put this drain at. There's like a little, there's a little thing that was in the back. It didn't come up enough, so I spun it around so it comes up higher. So now you get more of a throw on the drain there. See it?
Okay, yeah.
That's fine. I think you're good there. That's good. And it's going down.
Oh.
No more washing the shorts in the sink. Huh?
Yeah, I know it. Unbelievable.
Alright.
So there's no more leakage then.
No. He's got like a little rubber on the back of there, but it's working, so let's leave it. This nut was loose. We'll tighten that up. So you should be fine.
Okay.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
It's a new sink, right?
Yeah, 2 years old. I bought it at Home Depot because our sink was all corroded, all in here and everything else. An old-fashioned one.